motion elements will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Click on Windows, select Essential Graphics. To install Mogrts, right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Click on Add. Give the path to download and extracted folder. Here all templates are imported. I am going to import an image. Place image on the timeline. Now place any template on the timeline. Now select the template, go to the Effects Control panel and change its blend mode to screen. Here you can change motion elements color. Scale template and change its position from the Effects Control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.